Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to consume product in your warehouse and move it into your work in progress. So why would you consume items in your facility? So the clear and cut answer to that is you receive a lot of material in from random sources. And let's look at the screen right now. We have a bunch of mixed electronics. If you didn't have to report back to this customer ABC123, then you could either sort the material using the sort function, which would be at the top, or if you didn't want to go through that process, which is a little tedious because you're actually weighing each commodity as you're pulling it out of mixed electronics and either generating a label or sending it to consume to report back to ABC123. If you own the material outright, a lot of companies would just take this material and send it to their demanufacturing line. So they're not going to go weigh, I pulled 10 pounds of steel, I pulled 50 pounds of CRT monitors out. They would group up all these mixed electronics, so you could see we have 1,200 pounds, 1,145 pounds, 1,223. They would lot them all up, remove it from their working inventory, and send it to their work in progress by using the consume function. So once your demanufacturing line has produced finished goods, they would generate gaylords of potentially steel, gaylords of plastic, gaylords of high-grade boards. That weight would eventually be received back in and either sent to one of the workflows or most likely sent to finished goods in your facility. Now, when material's coming in, floor managers typically will look at the material, send it to the demand line. Once it goes to the demand line, they would take each item as they're getting pushed over to that specific workflow, they would go to consumed. So you have two options. You could select the multi-select option in the background, which would allow the lot numbers to appear on this grid, or your other option is you could have just hit consumed and you have a scan option. So the scan option allows you to scan the barcodes that you're pulling off the boxes. So in this case, it's 22007. Then you got 22006. So I'm simulating a scan. So either you could hand type these in, or you could use a scanner and scan it, which is a little more efficient and less prone to errors. So once you're done and you've picked the pallets you want to consume, you could do a select all, and you could pick one of the following reasons that will document in the reporting of why you consumed the product. In this case, we dismantle it. You would hit apply. The reason would get tagged to that particular item, and then you would hit confirm to complete the process. So now the material's been removed, and the next step would be to eventually generate finished goods from that work in progress material and receive it back in by using the receive function. So please take a look at how to receive material against consumed weight videos in the tutorials.